Hey, good afternoon. freehandlymade here. Welcome to this tutorial. So I've gotten requests on doing a video on how to remove a head from a Cabbage Patch Kid. I actually had done this video already before, but I think it was on my old channel, the Nieces TLC Restoration CPKs. I don't use that channel anymore. I've combined my two channels onto one channel for my benefit because it's just too hard running two different channels. Anyway, this little girl does not have a name right now, and she is a TLC cabbie. She was a crimp and curl girl, and her hair is just in horrible shape. She is one of the babies that was sent to me from the Little Ones Child Care Center. Tanya sent her to me, and this is one of the girls that I am going to turn into a comfort charity kit. A lot of you don't know what a comfort charity kit is. It is something that I came up with. I take very old TLC cabbies, I bring them back to life as much as I can. Definitely in a good enough condition that a child can play with it safely, which is why I do not accept donations of any Cabbage Patch doll that has pox or P Factory kids, because I can't guarantee they won't come down with pox. OK Factory kids, it really depends on what shape they're in, because OK Factory kids are prone to pox. So I'm very picky with the donations that I do get for that reason, because pox is a fungus that grows inside the vinyl, not the outside of the vinyl. It grows inside the vinyl and works its way out, and that deteriorates the vinyl. And anyone who has any allergies or allergic to any kind of molds or fungus, it can severely affect them in a really horrible way. And frankly, I don't want to donate a doll that's got pox. Even if I treat it, I can't guarantee that the pox isn't going to come back. So I'm sorry if my phone's flickering. It's because we've got really high winds right now. So I'll review. Hopefully this video comes out okay, because it's a one-time shot. I won't be able to do it again until I do it with a different doll. So backup plan, if I lose power or if I lose internet, then my video is going to be affected. If it doesn't come out good, then of course I'll just have to do another video. Alright, so how do you remove a head? Now, the crimp and curl kids are harder to remove the head. One, because their head is really huge and heavy, and look how small the little body is. This poor little girl doesn't even have enough stuffing to support the head. So, I mean, look, she can't even keep her head up. So one of the things I'm definitely going to do is I've got to add some more stuffing inside the middle of her body to support this head. I'm not a big fan of crimp and curl kids. I know a lot of collectors love them. I'm not one of those people. This is the first crimp and curl kid that I've restored. And because small children are going to be playing with this doll, I've got to remove all the hair, just because it's just for safety reasons. And I'm going to be replacing it with the yarn that Tanya included in the packaging that she chose to go with this kid, and I already have a homemade outfit for her, all planned and ready. So let's get started, because I'm into 4 minutes of this video. I'm trying to keep this video short, and I can only keep it so short because this is not an easy process. Okay, so these are the tools you're going to need to remove the head. You're going to need clippers. I use the real small ones because they're easy to get into where the tie is and clip the tie. I use this to pull the tie out. And then afterwards, I use scissors as a levering tool to get underneath the plug to pull the plug out. I may have to do removing the plug in a second video. Depends on how long this process takes. I'm kind of watching my timer as I film this. Alright, so the first thing you need to do, and this can be difficult, so you'll need to use this little tie here was completely covered by the material, and the material just moves to the side. So you're really going to have to dig. Try not to rip the material, but really dig and get the end of this tie exposed. And this is not an easy process, y'all. You're just going to have to be patient, and you're just going to have to work with it. Just like that. Okay, you can see it. Now I'm going to take my clippers, and I'm going to try and get into, and it slipped back. This is the part I hate the most. This is the part I hate the most. And it's hard to do it for you because I have to be able to see what I'm doing. So I am going to get my clippers in there. See, I'm just grabbing here. Almost. Takes patience. There we go. There's the plug. And we'll need to be taking this out. This is totally different than what I'm used to. So this, hopefully this will be easier to get out because it's different. It's got these things right here. So, all right, now I want to take the tie out. And there's your old tie. I have small ties like this, so I will replace the tie when I'm done. And there you go. There's the head. Here's the body. And so when I get ready to stuff this, and she's been clean, but she's got a stain right here, so I'm going to have to clean her again by hand again. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just really stuff this stuffing down into her body. And you can see how much more stuffing I can get in. And when I'm stuffing, I am going to try and get some into her bottom part. And I'm just working the stuffing in. And I'm not going to restuff her yet, but I'm going to go ahead and get the stuffing worked. Look at all that space I have to add stuffing. So when I get her done, she's going to be nice and plump and hopefully be able to support her head better. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and I'm going to do a second video for the plug because I don't know how long it's going to take me to jig this plug out. So stay tuned in just a moment. Have a great day. Bye.